Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Strava not syncing on ladder. So if your Strava workouts are not syncing from ladder app, the issue is usually caused by authorizations problems, Apple Watch connection issues, or delayed uploads. So actually guys, first you will need to reconnect Strava inside ladder. So in ladder, just go with the profile that's located at the top right corner here, and then go with the settings or the gear icon that's located at the top right. All right, and here you will need to go with the integrations. Okay, so this option, and now you only just go and tap on Strava right here, and then just go with connect with Strava. If already connected, just go ahead with disconnect from it and reconnect to it and authorize again. So Ladder's official integration guide says completed workouts should sync automatically once the connection is properly authorized. Also, guys, you will need to make sure that you are using the iPhone plus the Apple Watch. So Ladder's Strava Sync currently works only on iPhone and Apple Watch workflows, not Android. Also, guys, you will need to open the Ladder Apple Watch app during workouts. So for syncing and heart rate tracking, you will need to open Ladder on the Apple Watch, then just start the workout from the connected iPhone station, and Ladder states the watch must be connected and active during recording. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.